Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Panlasang Pinoy banana bread. First, gather your ingredients. 3 to 4 very ripe bananas, 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1 large egg, and 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Make sure your bananas are extra ripe for the best flavor. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, let's get mixing. In a large bowl, mash your 3 to 4 very ripe bananas until smooth. In a separate bowl, whisk together your wet ingredients: 1 large egg, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then, in another bowl, combine your dry ingredients: 1 1/2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Now it's time to bring it all together. Gently fold the dry ingredients into the wet banana mixture until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Pour the batter into a greased 9x 5-inch loaf pan. Bake in your preheated 350 degree Fahrenheit oven for 50 to 60 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Your kitchen will smell amazing. Once baked, let your delicious banana bread cool in the pan for 10 minutes before carefully removing it to a wire rack. Slice and serve warm for a delightful treat, or store it at room temperature for up to 3 days. It's perfect for breakfast or a snack. And hey, while you're enjoying your homemade goodness, remember that life's too short for cheap socks. Check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.